In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions in Adobe Express Video. To get started, open your video project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the project you want to edit so you can see your clips arranged in the timeline at the bottom of the screen. The timeline is where you'll manage how one clip moves into the next, and that's exactly where transitions are added. Once your project is open, look closely at the timeline and find the space between two clips. Between those clips, you'll see a plus icon. Click that plus icon and then choose Add Transition. This is the command that tells Adobe Express you want to place a visual transition between those two video segments. If you're editing a longer project, take a second to confirm you're clicking between the correct clips, since the transition will only apply to that specific cut. After you select Add Transition, move your attention to the panel on the left side of the screen. This is where Adobe Express shows the available transition styles you can use. Browse through the options and click the transition you want to apply. As you select different transitions, you can choose the one that best matches the pacing and style of your video. For example, some transitions feel smoother and more subtle, while others create a stronger sense of movement between scenes. If you want to customize the transition further, click the sliders button above the transition you selected. This opens the transition settings. From there, you can adjust options like duration, personality, and direction, depending on the specific transition you chose. Duration controls how long the transition lasts, so a shorter duration feels quicker and snappier, while a longer one feels more gradual. Personality and direction can change the way the transition behaves visually, which can help you fine-tune the overall look of your edit. As you make changes, it's a good idea to preview the transition so you can see how it flows between the two clips. Small adjustments can make a big difference, especially if you want your video to feel polished and natural. And that's it. That's how you add transitions in Adobe Express Video. Open your project, click the plus icon between two clips, choose Add Transition, pick your preferred style from the left panel, and adjust the settings if needed. Once you've done that, your clips will connect more smoothly and your video will feel more professional.